Okay, so the majority looks good here. Formatting is nice. We have the bold, we have the cell border here underneath the first one. And if we add these first two columns and subtract the third, or column D, we do get these total scores as being correct. However, there are some issues here. Let's say we go back and rethink. So notice Wyoming's total score is a 10. We go back and think, maybe it wasn't quite that beautiful. Maybe it was more of a 9, and we change that. We'd like that total score to instantly update. We want our spreadsheet to be a dynamic piece of work here. And the reason, I'm going to change that back to a 10. If we look in here, the C2 and D2 are correctly formatted as cells, but some of the others aren't. And in this case, for example, row 6, we have a couple numbers in there instead of cells. It's not wrong to have numbers. There are times when we want to carry a number in a formula, but when it's actually referring to a specific cell and we want it to update with that cell and we want to be able to copy and paste formulas, we'd really like to reference the cells if it's all possible. So just gonna insert this here. I'm gonna cut and paste the score there. And we're going to do basically the same thing. We're gonna take this, add this, and subtract this. But notice now, if we would change this beauty to a 9, the total score will automatically update. I'm going to do a Control Z here to undo that. What's better is we can now double click on this or drag it down, and that will paste not that number 10, but the formula. If I click in here and look at the formula, it's now taking B3 plus C3 minus D3. And this one's B4 plus C4 minus D4. And we could do this even if we had 100 rows in our spreadsheet. So that's one of the powerful parts of the formula. One, we can cut and paste large portions of a formula. And two, it will update anytime that we make changes to the original data.